Yeah, well, welcome back to the vlog, my friends. This is the Guabu Boys Club. I'm sorry, but I had to cut it off because I had to catch the bus going back to San Francisco. We're here in downtown Oakland on the bus. As you can see, this is called Uptown. And I'm standing here on the bus. Hopefully, get to San Francisco for the show. Didn't know they were repairing the BART today, so quite interesting. Hope you guys come back on the vlog.
I have a friend who lives in Detroit. So there's one part of the city, there's like a bunch of super rich neighborhoods, and then there's one part of the city where they went on a field trip there for the summer museum or something. It was all like there were people.
Hi Armina, hi Nelvik. Thank you for coming back. I had to pause the vlog for a little bit as I boarded the train, a bus going to San Francisco. And I tell you, it's been at least 20 years since I've taken the bus. So it's interesting. This is West Oakland, guys. So at least it's a little bit more quieter than the train. The train earlier was so loud and noisy. But I'm right here in the front with my little Samsung, going live with Chip on the 510, going to San Francisco. Ooh, it's hot. I wore a jacket, but I know San Francisco is going to be pretty hot, so, well, not hot, but cold, And here we are, cruising down on West Grand. Well, how's it going out there in the Philippines, everybody? Oh, I heard about the terrible thing that happened in Cebu. So sorry for those people who lost their lives there. Let's just make sure we pray for their families, that they will recover emotionally. You never can forget, but just have to pray to the Lord that hope these things like that never happen again. Oh, hi Edith, how are you? Edith, my cousin's on the vlog. I'm over here on the BART and the bus going to San Francisco. I got a late start today. I thought I'd go to San Francisco today. Didn't have much to do, so I'm over here. Doing some repair on the BART lines today. So they closed part of the train tracks. So I am actually transferred from the BART from San Leandro, where I live. Sorry if it's a little shaky, guys. And they're going to transfer me back on the BART, which is interesting. Sorry if it's shaky. But yeah, I haven't ridden a bus in about 25 years. It's been a long time. Yep. It's just a typical Saturday. Over here is West Oakland area.
That sounds like most of my classes are really not good. Yeah, good. We have I'm one of like 5 or 6 guys in my geometry. I have a randomly selected geometry.
Wow. Sure do have a lot of people on my blog today. What's that, 45?
Same with my
Wow, that's a lot of people so far. I might have to cut off a little bit and come back on again once I get off the bus.
6 or 7
There's a lot of people here. A lot of people going to San Francisco. I was a little bit hesitant in going today because it's not really safe taking BART these days. But hey, sometimes you got to take chances in life. It's not, if you want to get some adventure out of it in life, you just got to go where the flow. Okay, here we are. It's fun, man. Taking the bus. Sorry for it shaking a little bit. I'm standing on the bus. Yeah, stick around if we get cut off. Sometimes the signal cuts off, so please stick with me because when I go to San Francisco today, I'll show you some sights and scenes of the city. I love going there, and it's although there's been some controversy, the mayor hasn't done very much as far as cleaning the city streets, but we'll see. Hope I won't step on any caca on my way. I don't plan on doing too much vlogging there too late. I don't think it's as bad, the BART as bad as in New York and other places, but you never know. Man, it was timing really, actually, because I didn't know they were doing any repair on the BART, so I was thinking, then all of a sudden when I got on the BART, they made an announcement. So you got to transfer to 19th Street, take the bus to West Oakland. And I go, what? It's okay. Okay, this is the West Oakland BART station. And yeah, pretty close to downtown. Oh, I'd say about 3 or 4 miles away. Yeah, I used to take the BART every day going to work, but now that I'm not working in the city, it's good. Man, it's expensive to ride BART now. One way is $10. So if you want a round trip, it's $20. That's a lot of money for a, well, I guess, you know, times have changed. You gotta pay for services if you want to get, it's probably the easiest way to get to San Francisco now. I mean, it's been really bad traffic everywhere. Take the Bay Bridge, it's terrible. Usually takes 45 minutes for me to get there from my place. That's cool. They got a lot of people over here that are directing you where to go. Right there. Wow, there's a lot of people here. Dang. Wow. Well, I'm here exiting, guys, so alrighty, guys, here we go. Now we got, oh my god, look at all these people over here. Damn, that's a lot of folks getting on the BART. Look at this. I like it when they tell you, have people here to tell you where to go. It's pretty cool. Look at this. Check it out. A lot of people here. Lots of tourists. Wow, my God. How am I gonna get home? Do I have to wait? Holy smokes. Alrighty, here we go. This is crazy. Are you guys still with me? Cool. Stick with me. This is an adventure. Oh, look at this, man. Check it out. Look at all the people. Wow.
San Francisco.
Look at this. Look at this. Just to get the city, San Francisco. Look at this. That's a lot of people. What's happening in San Francisco? I don't know. I might have to cut off the vlog pretty soon, and I'll be in San Francisco in about 10, 15, 20 minutes. And please watch for my vlog again, and then I'll come back on. Right now it's all right, man, this is crazy, man. All right, I gotta cut off, guys.